guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alia Makishani Kumar, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post long format content on Tuesdays and Saturdays and short format on rest of the days. So I will be meeting you all daily like I said. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification as well. And today's video is all about the recreation of this beautiful look which I have recreated from Kareena Kapoor Khan's Instagram page. I am in so much love with this entire look. This is her signature look, basically with a nice cold, beautiful smoky eye look and a beautiful nude lipstick. And I think it's a very beautiful look. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया the way it turned out. I'm pretty proud of myself for a person who doesn't know makeup professionally. I think I did a pretty well job. You are also going to judge it in the comments and let me know if you like it. Also, I think this is a very apt look for the Karwa Chauth that is coming up soon. I think if you are also celebrating Karwa Chauth, don't forget to recreate this and let me know if you did, because it's going to look really beautiful and बहुत ही classy look है. So I think you will also love it on yourself. I will be adding all the links for the jewelry and the outfit and of course the makeup products that I'm going to use in the description box, so you can order it for yourself as well. And now let's just jump into the video and see how I recreated this beautiful look.
Before starting any makeup look, you have to make sure that you prep your skin with a good moisturizer, which is what I've done here. After that, I've started with the color corrector, which is the orange color corrector, because my skin has a lot of pigmentation around my mouth, my eyes and my cheeks. So I've added the orange color corrector, just blending it in with my fingers. Then I've also added some green color corrector on the reddish pigmented areas, which is because of the pimples that I had recently. So usually I would first use the primer after my moisturizer, but I forgot to use the primer. This primer has a nice shine to it, so I wanted to add it on my base. So you know, in the final look it can look nice and shiny and you know, like that glow from within wala look aa jayega. But I forgot, तो मैंने इसके लिए after I finished using the color corrector is when I applied that primer on the areas where there was no color corrector. Now because I use the primer on the color corrector, so certain areas पे जहाँ पर green color corrector लगाया था for the red scars, वो चला गया, तो which is why I re-applied the color corrector on top of it. And then I went ahead and did the concealing. So I used this concealer from Insight Cosmetics, which is exact shade of my skin tone, and it completely covers up all the blemishes and all the pores and all the imperfections of my skin has been covered by this concealer, and it looks really nice. You can see how well it covers the skin. So the reason behind me using this concealer overall on my face before using the foundation was to create a very even layered skin tone all over the face. So you know, when I apply the foundation, it is not uneven and patchy. The foundation I've used is the OG MAC NC30 shade foundation. The formula of this is really nice. It's a full high coverage formula and it's a very nice, it gives a very nice finish to your entire face. So I've used this, but not a lot of product, of course a very limited amount of product for the entire face. Then I again went ahead and used Insight ka concealer, but this was in the bottle and it was a liquid formulation, and it's a very nice, again a very beautiful, very easily blendable concealer. So I would highly recommend using all these products that I'm using in front of you because they work really magically. And this particular concealer is also slightly lighter than my skin tone, so it adds that nice brightness under my eyes, and which is what I've used it for. Also I've also added one line of concealer on my cheeks, under my cheekbone areas also, because this is what I saw on her makeup, that उसमें एकदम एक precision, you know, below her contour area बहुत अच्छी से एक precision थी, तो I wanted to add that to my makeup as well. So the blush I've used here is from Meesho. It is not a specific brand. I have never heard of this brand. I just ordered it from Meesho because I genuinely wanted to try it out, and it turned out really beautiful, and it is very easily blendable and in fact doesn't leave any patches on your face. It's a very nice blush that you can use for any kind of makeup look. It's a nice orangish shade, so you don't have to also use any contouring product, which is what I did here. I did not use any contouring product separately. So on her face also I could see there was only one blush ka, you know, like area that was nicely filled with a brownish, not exactly a brownish, but a little darker shade than a pink or a particular shade. So you know, I just added one shade of blush on my cheekbones, which could also act as a contour and a blush. To set my face, I've used this Verified Ka IRL powder, loose powder. Now this powder is my holy grail powder. I love using this powder. It works really magically. So this powder is what I use to cover all my face and make sure that all my makeup was in place. So I did not use a beauty sponge this time. I just went ahead and took this flat brush and took little powder and just added it to, you know, again under my cheekbones where I had already applied the blush. So just to clean and make that area very nicely precisely cut, and just the way Kareena's face has, and then also I used it under my eyes and other places where I wanted to set my makeup. For highlighter, I've added this beautiful Swiss Beauty highlighter on my entire face. So I went ahead firstly on my eyebrows, like I said, and then I also went ahead with my cheeks and entire forehead and my nose and slightly on my chin, just to make sure that it looks very nice and subtle but glowy as well from within. So for my eyes, I started firstly filling my eyebrows. So I recently got my eyebrows also made, which has definitely played a major role in this video, because eyebrows have to be shaped really well, very precisely done. So which is what I did. I filled my eyebrows really well using this product from Swiss Beauty. It is a 2-in-1 product, which is basically you can use this powder for your eyebrows, and of course you can also use it as an eyeshadow product. But also the other product that it has is the eyeliner and kajal that you can use. So this is a very very beautiful product, 2-in-1 product, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कमाल का चीज़ है. You can try it out, and this is what I used for the eyebrows. So now for my eye makeup, what I had to do was, it was a very beautiful smoky eye look. So firstly I took the gel product that was given in the Swiss Beauty ka 2-in-1 product. Here I used this product for firstly tight lining my waterline from the bottom, and then top mein I added it at the eyeliner area, just slightly, not too much, because firstly you can add more product but you can't remove if आप ज़्यादा डाल दो तो you didn't want it to become very heavily darker on your top lid, because if you can see her photo, her bottom lids are like her under her eye is slightly more colored than her top lids. So what I did was adding that color on the top, the black color, and then smudging it out with my fingers. Then I went ahead and added the brown color shade, which is again a very beautiful earthy brown shade, adding that and smudged it. And then I added slight orangish shade, I used the brown shade and added it at the bottom line as well, smudged it out with the help of my brushes, and then I added a slight more black and brown to my top lid as well, and slightly orangish shade as well, just to give a little hue, nice brownish orangish hue on my top lid, which is what I did for both my eyes. So for my eyelashes, I haven't used any falsies for this look. I just went ahead with the Double Trouble Mars ka mascara for adding the nice length and volume to my eyelashes, and it is the best product, one of the best products that you can find in the market. This one, and there's another new product that I've been using recently, which is the Swiss Beauty ka Craze mascara, the green color packaging one. That is also a very brilliant product. You should definitely try both of these out if you want to. And yeah, that's for my eye makeup look. For my lips, I first used this lip liner, which is a nude pink shade. I filled my entire lips with this. For the lips, I've used one of the lipsticks from the romantic nude combination that you get in a pack of 3 from Mars, which is called the Lip Pill pack of 3. So one of those lipsticks I've used, and these 3 shades from this package of 3 nude shades is really beautiful. You should definitely check it out because these are very travel friendly as well. They're very tiny but a very nice formulation. To complete my entire look, I've added the most important thing in an Indian makeup look, which is the bindi. So I've added a round bindi here. For my outfit, I've ordered this suit from Meesho. It's a very beautiful bright red color suit and golden pura uspe work kiya hua hai. Of course, the dupatta also is quite heavy. So it's a very beautiful outfit. I'll be adding the links, of course, in the description box below. The earrings are also very beautiful. They have a nice bird wala design going on, similar to what Kareena is wearing.
This is it for my recreation of this entire look from Kareena Kapoor's page. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all will also recreate this and I hope you all will subscribe to my channel because मैं बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ. हम यूट्यूबर्स यूजुअली बहुत मेहनत करते हैं एंड तभी जाके थोड़ा बहुत हमें हासिल होता है. बट मैं देख रही हूँ कि बहुत ज्यादा न्यू व्यूअर्स हो बट आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो, तो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल अगेन. आई एम गोइंग टू रिमाइंड यू एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर माई टुडेज वीडियो. आई विल सी यू ऑल सून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. Bye!